What's up guys? Colin from DecoNetwork. We want to give our DecoNetwork subscribers and anybody else watching this video a first-hand look at Ricoma Embroidery Machines. While we were in Long Beach, California for the Impressions Expo, I chatted with Aliana from Ricoma and she broke down 3 of their top selling machines, including their new 3-head embroidery machine. So let's get into the video.
Hey guys, I'm Aliana from Ricoma Embroidery Machines. Right here we're looking at our semi-commercial 10-needle embroidery machine, the EM-1010. So this is probably one of our best sellers because it's such a great starter machine for anyone looking to get into the industry. It's our most lightweight machine, very compact, very cute. It's got our LED touchscreen high definition panel that lets you control the entire machine. This is the brain of the machine. Cool thing about Ricoma is that all of our machines come with an all-inclusive package. So with the machine, you're getting all of the hoops in multiple sizes and multiple of each size. You're also getting the digitizing software Chroma, that is our proprietary software that we've created for our machines. That software is good on Mac and PC. You're gonna get everything when you buy a Ricoma machine, which also includes the stand. You also get free training and free lifetime support for the lifetime of your machine. Right now we're doing an offer of you can qualify for 0% financing, which makes the monthly payments on these machines pretty affordable.
For sure. And who would you say is kind of the biggest clientele for a single head? I mean, pretty much anybody can use this, any size business, but is this more for a startup or if someone running a smaller operation who would be interested in a single head?
So for this particular model, the EM-1010, I would say the majority of the people who purchase this are those just starting out and don't want to be in that single needle space anymore. They kind of want to be able to do more of an output, start shops on things like Etsy, but this machine you can work it easily from home. So these are people just starting out their crafting business, their embroidery business, pretty much from home.
Right. And I know over here we have a 3-head.
Yes.
And this is your new product you were telling me.
Yeah, so this is probably one of the most exciting products we're showcasing this year. This is the first 3-head embroidery machine on the market. Not only that, but on each head we have 20 needles, which is also very new. It's a nuance. There's no other machines out there that are up to 20 needles. We also have our brand new panel. I can show you over here. This is our updated 8S panel that has Wi-Fi compatibility. So using our software Chroma, you can digitize your designs on your laptop and send it directly to the machine.
Right. And this seems like a perfect machine, kind of an intermediate in between a single head, where you're kind of a startup, you don't do too much embroidery, to having a 6-head might be a little overkill.
Exactly.
This seems like a perfect happy medium.
Right, so we've kind of seen that everybody is different. Everybody has different amount of outputs, different amount of return customers, and their order sizes kind of differentiate. So we just want to be able to offer all kinds of size machines, so you can then decide what is best for you. So maybe you need a little more than a double head, but you don't need that 6-head. This would kind of be right in the middle. You're making 3 caps, 3 shirts, 3 hoodies at one time.
Right. And then we have another machine over here. Tell us a little bit about this one.
So this is our MT-2003-8S machine. This is probably our best seller when it comes to the more industrial side. So unlike the EM-1010 that I showed you earlier, this one's definitely much more heavy duty, sturdy, definitely a lot heavier.
Yeah.
This is for that person who has a shop who needs to be running this machine 24/7. So the EM-1010 has 10 needles. The MT-2003 we just saw has 20 needles on a head. This is kind of right in the middle with 15 needles.
Gotcha. So how awesome is it to be back at trade shows, especially here in Long Beach, the first trade show since the pandemic? Get to show off your equipment, let people see the 3-head. How exciting is that for you to do that?
We were so excited to come back. We have been prepping for this trade show for months because, you know, when everyone kind of got sent home from work during the pandemic, a lot of people unfortunately lost their jobs, but it motivated a lot of people to start their own business. And one of those businesses, one of the most popular ones, was apparel decoration. So even though, you know, it seemed like a really hard time for everybody, we met so so many people that are so much happier now that they started their own custom apparel business. And we're just so happy that we were able to facilitate that and provide machinery, provide the training, and provide the resources in order for these people to start their own businesses. So it's really exciting to come back to these shows and meet the people that, you know, have started their own businesses, who are looking for bigger machinery, looking to expand. It's really cool to reconnect. It's been so long. And the best part is we've been gone for 2 years. So there's so many things that we have created, that we have premiered and come out with. And so this is the first time we're showing off a lot of new product. So it's our biggest booth that we've ever had. And we're just really excited to kind of get back to it and start doing, you know, demos in person again. Follow us all over social media at Ricoma HQ, and follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, so you can keep up with all of our products and check out all of our resources.